Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing exactly what you need so you don't interrupt the process. Measure a small scoop of AK fresh mud into a clean bowl. Add 0.5 to 1 teaspoon of lukewarm water and stir slowly until you reach a thick paste. You're doing this to control consistency. Too thin reduces efficacy, too thick is hard to spread. Once done, set a timer for the recommended application time and have a towel ready for removal. You apply the paste immediately in smooth motions, starting from the center of the face and moving outward. Keep the layer even and not thicker than 2-3 mm so it dries uniformly. Make sure to avoid delicate areas. Once applied, lightly mist or tap with a damp brush to activate the ingredients and improve adhesion. This helps the formula lock onto impurities. During the next 10-15 minutes, check for discomfort. Mild tightening is expected. You remove the mask by rinsing with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions until no residue remains. Avoid harsh scrubbing to protect the skin barrier. Once dry, apply a soothing moisturizer or hydrating serum to seal in benefits and prevent dryness. If you notice persistent redness, burning, or swelling, rinse thoroughly, apply a cool compress, and stop using the product. If symptoms continue beyond a day, consult a professional. This step preserves results and prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.